Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you had a great start to the new year. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be making a dish called fumbwa. So fumbwa is a dish eaten by the Congolese people. It's actually made out of leaves called Gnetum leaves. In Cameroon, we use these leaves to make different dishes like riro. It's a pretty much very simple dish to make. I'm just going to be going through the steps on how I made this dish. Hope you like the video, enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for this dish you will need Gnetum leaves. You can find this in an African store. You need spinach, smoked fish, you need 1 tomato, chopped tomato, you need some garlic, you need spring onions, some okra, and you will need smooth peanuts, and of course your palm oil. You can use any seasoning that you want. I actually use 2 maggi cubes. You can use chicken seasoning, bouillon cubes, or salt. So to prepare this dish, you want to go ahead and add all the ingredients into the pot as I described at the start of the video. I'll be putting all the ingredients at the description box so you don't miss out on anything. So I'm just adding the tomatoes there, the chopped onions, the garlic, the okra, onions, palm oil and some smooth peanuts. I'm just going to allow that to cook and boil for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once you see the oil at the top, then that tells that the dish is ready. And I'm just going to show you guys what I serve this with and what you would typically eat this with. So roughly about 40 minutes later, the dish is ready. So that's how the fumbwa is looking. Fumbwa is a very easy dish to make. It's more like a one-pot dish basically. And I'll just share with you guys how I actually serve this. So typically fumbwa is eaten with what we call shikwangwa. Some people call it kwangwa, which is basically cassava wrapped in banana leaves. In Cameroon, we actually call it bobolo. So that's what I'm going to be serving the kwangwa with. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.